I am a Tibetan refugee, born and brought up in India, and I've been always thankful for the people and government of India for their long support for Tibet. Today, inside Tibet, we know that 87 Tibetans have self-immolated. 87 Tibetans have put themselves fire to protest against the Chinese occupation of Tibet. They have called for freedom in Tibet. They have called now His Holiness the Dalai Lama to return to Tibet. This is what is happening inside Tibet. On coming 10 December, when people around the world observing it as a day of human rights inside Tibet, Tibetans are killed, Tibetans are tortured, and Tibetans are arrested just because they had expressed their feeling. There is no basic human rights inside Tibet. Tibetan people, throughout the Tibetan freedom struggle, we had look up India as the biggest inspiration for us. I think this is the moral responsibility for people of India and the government to stand with us in our darkest period of Tibetan freedom struggle. Therefore, I call now Shri Manmohan Singh, the Prime Minister of India, to stand with Tibetan people. I ask Shri Manmohan Singh now to break his silence and condemn Chinese government for their military crackdown inside Tibet. I call Shri Manmohan Singh to join the multilateral pressure with other governments so that we can pressure together Chinese government stop the crackdown inside Tibet. I call Indian people to stand with Tibet.